Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. So in today's video, as you could see from the title, I'll be showing you how I installed this 5x5 HD lace closure wig from Beauty Forever. They went ahead and sent me this wig in 22 inches and 180 density. It is a straight wig, of course, and as you can see, everything about this hair is beautiful. I won't be too long. Definitely go ahead and check the links in the description box if you'd like to purchase this wig from Beauty Forever. It's really affordable. It's so nice and soft, silky straight, smooth, shiny, all that jazz. So definitely don't forget to go ahead and check it out. And if you would like to see how I melted my lace, just keep on watching. babes, so this is it. This is the look. She is the moment. I'm loving this hair. It's so nice and straight. It's a straight hair wig. It is actually a 5x5 HD lace closure wig in the texture straight. Of course, it is in 22 inches and it is 180 density, so it's pretty full. There is some fullness to it. I'm loving how nice and flat this unit got, like, girl. And the shininess, the luster, everything about it, it's just giving. So shout out to Beauty Forever for having like some of the best hair and lace on the market, like, period. I love working with them. They have such good quality hair for such amazing prices, so definitely go ahead and check those links in the description box if you'd like to purchase. If you have any questions on how I laid my lace, just let me know in the comment section and I will definitely answer at my soonest convenience. But yeah, that's it. Let me go take my pictures and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye babes.